What a lovely day to be in the park. Oh, little birdie. Hi, little bird.
Hi.
Ew! How dare you poop on me? I'm going home.
What's wrong? You need snuggles? Do you just want me to snuggle you? You want me to go to night with you?
What?
I'm sleepy. Can I get my shoes too? Okay.
I think I'm gonna be sick. Attention, everybody. We are doing a normally day picnic. Who would like to come? We will, we will, we will, we will. Great. See you all at 3 p.m. All right. You guys can all get back to the things that you guys were doing. Oh, I better take a bath quickly because it is gross. Oh my gosh, why is the laundry hamper in the bathtub? Anyways, turn it on. Huh? A bird. Look up there, man. Wow, yeah. What the heck? Oh, my life is so dramatic. Are you okay? Ow. Well, sadly, you broke way too many bones. You're gonna have to be here for 3 months. Ew. How dare this bird? I guess there's no picnic tonight. Oh, man. Well, we can all get back to doing the things we were doing and not have to worry about that, I guess.